In today's video, I'll teach you how to change Zoho account profile picture. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar, type in accounts.zoho.com. After you do that, press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the accounts interface of Zoho. You'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to find the options like profile, security, multi-factor authentication, settings, etc. Make sure profile option is selected. Now in the profile interface, you'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to see your profile picture. So if you want to change it, simply click on it. Now you'll be able to find the options like upload now, expand picture, etc. Simply click on the first option, upload now. Now you'll be able to upload the profile picture. What you have to do is simply click on the profile picture that you want to change to. Click on the option open. Now you'll be able to crop the profile photo if you want. Also, you'll be able to rotate it. After you're satisfied, click on this option update that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your profile picture has been updated successfully. The profile picture has been changed. So that is how you change Zoho account profile picture. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.